In appeal, High Court has maintained kidnapping charges against the appellants, the accused persons involved in the case, but homicide charges has not been established as per the version of the impugned judgment passed by the division bench of the High Court. So we are examining and scrutinizing this case, judgments to file appeal on the ground of homicide charges and ransom charges. यहाँ पर दो तीन बातें हैं कि the confessional statement recorded by the judicial magistrate, the lady judge, उसमें there are some infirmities. And the most important thing is the FBI agent who appeared in witness box and deposed. There's a serious contradiction in his statement, which the appellate court has been really inspired from that piece of evidence. This is not a case of direct evidence. Mr. Daniel Pearl में circumstantial evidence था, body का, उनका death certificate का, कोई चीज़ उस वक़्त आई नहीं. What I have examined so far, कि एक बंदा मरा, he was murdered. We are saying, you know it, he has been murdered. But in Pakistan, you have Nadra, Ordinance 2000. Or the earlier registration acts, whereby death certificate has supposed to be issued in case of a death of a person. There is even no death report from some medical practitioners. ये चीज़ें किसी ने देखी नहीं हैं. And then circumstantial evidence में what was the ransom, who was demanding, who was collecting, who was paying, ये सारे chain events को मिलाना पड़ता है in order to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. So बड़ी टेक्निकल फॉल्ट्स हैं जिसमें डिफेक्टिव इन्वेस्टिगेशन में सम टाइम आइडेंटिफिकेशन परेड में जैसे लाइक मिस्टर डैनियल पर्ल केस उसमें लकुनाज रह जाते हैं, लीगल स्टेप्स फुलफिल नहीं करते हैं, सिली मिस्टेक्स हो जाती हैं. मतलब सिली मिस्टेक्स आई मीन टू से कि मे बी देयर इज़ नो malafighting, बट देयर इज़ ओवरसाइटिंग ऑफ द IO फॉर विच द बेनिफिट विल ऑब्वियसली गो टू accused party, a defendant party was facing the charges. तो इस तरह की डिफेक्टिव इन्वेस्टिगेशन में प्रॉपर मेमोज सीजर नहीं करते हैं. जैसे डैनियल पर्ल केस में 11 Feb का मेमो है कि इट वाज सीज्ड ऑन 11th मेमो ऑफ रिकवरी, वेयर्स द FBI एजेंट कह रहा है नो दैट वाज वी हैव एग्जामिनेड इट ऑन द 4th Feb. तो इस तरह की जो मिस्टेक्स होती हैं ये बड़ी कॉमन है.